Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Kygo E7 earbuds with your iPhone. So first you have to grab both earbuds and remove them from this charging case. And right now you have to take a look for the indicator. It's located right here. When it starts blinking blue and red, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So we have to go to the Bluetooth settings, then turn it on with the switcher. Now just wait and select this Kygo E7 earbuds from the list. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.